Tyler Smith, tough enough to pull pink. How about that?
Yeah.
Lines up on the left-hand side. Several of them's done that. They must be seeing something they like down there.
Well, I tell you what, he looks like he just had a big time.
I believe he is. And now he gets a bite.
I just give up on him and he took off.
Got lots of wheel speed. 124 even. How about that? You know what?